Ugh, it's so hot, and don't even get me started on the electricity bill. Running the AC all day? That's a luxury I can't afford. But don't worry, today I've got some genius DIY air conditioner hacks to keep you cool without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First up, your good old fan, but let's level it up. By placing a bowl of ice water in front of your fan, you create a chilled breeze that feels just like an AC. Simple, right? Another trick, freeze a water bottle, wrap it in a sock, and place it behind your fan. This helps cool the air as it circulates. For a more advanced DIY AC, grab a styrofoam cooler, cut out holes for PVC pipes, fill it with ice and place a fan on top. Boom! Cool air at no extra cost. Next, let's use nature to our advantage. Keep your windows open at night to let in cool air and close them during the day to trap the coolness inside. It's like free AC from Mother Nature. Sunlight heats up your home fast. Block it out using blackout curtains or blinds. This keeps your space significantly cooler. If you have trees outside, use their shade strategically to reduce heat indoors. Believe it or not, your home's interior design can make a big difference. Use light-colored curtains and sheets. They reflect heat instead of absorbing it. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton or linen instead of heavy materials. You'll stay cooler while you sleep. Avoid heat-generating appliances like incandescent bulbs. Switch to LED lights and take advantage of natural lighting. Feeling overheated? Take a quick cold shower. It instantly lowers your body temperature and keeps you feeling refreshed. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and eat water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon. Your body cools itself more efficiently when it's well hydrated. Ditch tight clothing. Loose breathable fabrics help your body stay cool and sweat evaporate faster. And there you have it. Simple, budget-friendly ways to beat the heat. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Stay cool, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.